What's up, everybody? It's me. I'm back. I know it's been a year since my last, almost a year since my last video, so I'm bringing you another one. This time I'm doing another speaker swap. I just picked up some of the new Diamond Audio MSPRO65s. Supposed to be the new ones that I picked up. This came in the mail today, so I'm excited. They have these new horns that came with the, I ordered them with the horns, which are these right here, the MO75T horns. And I brought them from this spot that actually puts the horns in the grills when you order them. So as you see, the horns are already in the grills. Looks real nice, already plug and play for the most part. So that's going to be going in there. As you remember, last time I put in the rockers, JR Rokker. So I'm about to take those out. Let me show you. I got the rockers in there now, but I'm about to take these out and put those bad boys in and see how it sounds. I haven't done any upgrades to the bike since then. This will be my first major upgrade since my last speaker swap. So I'm gonna do another speaker swap. These speakers are supposed to be louder, better quality, overall better than not only the rockers, but also the hertz that people are telling me about. So these are the speakers. These joints are outstanding. 400 watts, 4 ohms, mid-range, crazy. They're gonna be crazy. So I am excited to put these joints in there. Like I said, built-in horns. Oh, it's gonna go great, because you know I already got a Diamond amp already in my system. I got a 4-channel 600 watt Diamond amp. So this is just gonna enhance and make it sound that much more better. So I'll be right back as I get ready to take the fairing off later. All right, so I just took one of the speakers out. As you can see, the difference is crazy. I mean, look, this is the JR Rokker. I mean, it was a nice speaker, don't get me wrong. Nice sound. When I was doing 90 miles an hour, even 100, I heard my sound system no problem. But this baby right here, look at that. I mean, it's crazy. So, yeah, I'm about to put those bad boys in and see what they sound like. Talk to y'all later. Hey, what's up, everybody? Just wanted to let you know I am halfway through the process. I just did the clutch side, so now I'm doing the brake side. As you see, speakers out. I just put the grill in. Those grills are nice. Look at those horns. That's crazy. That's crazy. That look is going to look nice. And you know, it's a straightforward installation, and I just turned on one and it sounded awesome. So we'll put this other one in, then I connect the horns. Then I'll be good to go. I'll take y'all through the next process. Once again, this is my Diamond amp. Already hooked up, just gotta plug it in. What I gotta do is what they told me. I gotta run the horns off a separate channel. So, because they have a 4-channel amp, so the horns are gonna connect to the rear output on the amp, which is somewhere over there, you can't really see it, but it's going to connect to the rear. So it's going to be running off the rear channel for the amp. So that's where that's going to set up at. So that's how the horns are going to work out with the amp. I'm not splitting them off the front. I'm just going to, you know, run them off the rear as they suggested. Let's see what it sounds like, man. I think it's going to sound great. I can't wait, and I'll check you guys out after I finish later. Okay, so I'm all done with the speaker installs. It came out pretty good. I gotta, you know, wire everything down. This is just craziness and madness. I'm not gonna tell you where I got the speakers from, but it's a great company because they're not paying me for the plugin, so I'm not gonna plug them in. But anyway, they give you all the wiring that you need, and this is coming. This wire right here is coming off the horns. The horns right there. This is where this wire is coming from. Connects to this right here, crossover, and then it plugs, well, the crossover line. And then I'm plugging it into they recommend plugging it into the rear speaker port. So that's where they're running with the rear speaker channel. So, and it sounds great. Like I said, the wiring was pretty straightforward. It gave you everything you need. Like I said, I'm not going to plug the company in, but if you want to know, hit me up, send me an email, and I'll send you the company's name. They're not giving me a plug-in to promote them like that, so I'm not going to tell them who they are, but they give you everything you need for the most part. You know, put the speakers in, wire it up. Like you see, you know, they give you the heat shrink, you know, for the wires, which is pretty great because these are separate. The connector was already there, so I didn't have to add that. So it's pretty great. Like I said, I plugged it in. Everything sounds great. I'm thinking about adding back speakers, but I don't know yet. That requires putting on another amp. And I really don't want to lose backspace, but to get that deeper crisp sound, I may go with it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. If I do it, it's going to be in the next video. So this is it. You know, this is how it's connected, how it's wired up. Running out the rear channel. That's pretty much it, man. I'll let you guys hear how it sounds. You're going to hear 2 videos. The first one is going to be without the horns. The second one is going to be with the horns. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know.